Rewarded Play users who see an already redeemed message usually need to check whether the reward was previously claimed, the account is connected correctly, or the app has not updated the redemption status yet. By the end, you'll know the main reasons this error appears and the steps to try before contacting support. The first thing to check is your reward history inside the Rewarded Play app. An already redeemed message can appear when the system detects that a reward has already been processed on your account. Open the app and look for sections like Your Reward History, Redemption History, or Account Activity. Confirm whether the reward appears as completed, pending, or already claimed. If you do not see the reward in your history, check that you are signed into the correct account. Using a different login method, email address, or device profile can make it look like a reward is missing. The next step is to refresh the app connection. Close the app completely, reopen it, and check the reward section again. Updating the app from your device's app store can also fix issues caused by an outdated version. You should also check whether the reward requirements were fully completed. Some rewards only become available after all listed tasks are finished, and incomplete requirements can create confusion during redemption. If the message continues, avoid repeatedly submitting the same redemption request. Multiple attempts can make it harder to identify the original issue. Before contacting support, collect the details they need. Include your account information, the name of the reward, when you attempted the redemption, and a screenshot of the error message. Support teams can usually investigate faster when they have the exact reward details and the message shown on your screen. To prevent future redemption problems, keep your app updated, use the same account consistently, and check reward details before starting a task. The main fixes are simple. Check your redemption history, confirm you are using the correct account, and refresh or update the app before trying again. If the problem remains after those steps, the next move is contacting Rewarded Play support with the error details. If this guide helped you fix the already redeemed message, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.